Little pregnant stray mommy. Hi. Hi, baby. Our pregnant little stray babies came and adopted us. Did you adopt us? You have your babies here? And then you got them over there.
Don't expose me like that.
Oh, sorry. Hi, babies. Hi. You want us to adopt you? I'm trying to tell you to go in, but you don't want to go in.
You're still gonna be my favorite.
She's pregnant. She's about ready to pop. I've never felt baby kittens move before. Ah. Ooh. Okay, I'm sorry. You're so pretty and so lovable. Someone abandoned you. We'll find you a safe home, a safe haven for you and your babies. Want a safe home for you and your babies? You want our home for your your safety and your baby's safety? Huh? Hi. Pretty girl.
It's just me.
Hi.
Hi. It's just me. You remember me. Hi.
She wants love. She wants nothing but love.